Hello fellow traders, Paul Lummel, Big Owner Trading Club. Got another stock here coming off the bottom off of our key TY1 cycle. And this also has a long-term cycle setup. This is the DMAC DiaMedica Therapeutics Inc. And it's been acting really good on this breakout from the basically a TM-9 cycle. So what you had here coming off the U pivot back here in 2021 was a 47 to 53 month cycle. It's a TM-9. And then you get the pullback. Let's pull that a little bit further out so you can see it. So as you can see right here, this once we get the breakout of the long-term trend line, TM-9 came back, retested, which is common. Quite often does that. Now the cycle on that pullback, I believe, was a TM1, 1.5 month cycle. A little bit over 1.5 months. South channel violation could have scaled in, break out a 5-bar high, 10-bar, 25-bar high would have been in 3 parts. Now this found support right above the $5 PPP, so a little bit of air in the consolidation. And as far as the PPPs in the cup, looks like the $2 one was the one that pretty much held the floor there. And you had a nice breakout, a couple 100%, setting that TM-9 cycle. So where we're at right now is getting close to that original 2021 pivot. Let's look at we need to get above about $11 or so to clear that. And it's acting like it's going to. It's acting really well in this breakout. So you can see we're here. We had about 70% or so move. And we're getting a 3.5 TSS sharp one probably pretty quickly. So would not be surprised to see a little bit more and then a pull back for a few days inside of that. And then try to attack that $11 PPP. Actually $10 PPP. So okay, let's look at some targets based on the cycles off a low. We have a TM2 plus off a low, a little bit past the 3.5 month mark, and so we got to move off of that. The north channel of that was around $10. It already hit that, and so now we're looking at the TM3X and the TM32X. Now the TM3X is around 1350 or so. That'd be a 50% plus gain if it hit it. And the TM32X be a close to 100% gain if it hit that. It's acting really well. I would not be surprised to see it getting out of that U pivot right there to a new high and then set maybe a pretty solid PBC zone and then potentially a long-term cycle run over potentially a few years out of that big cup. So we'll see. It looks pretty good for that. Let's look at the stock rating on it. Okay, stock rating again. This is the TM-9 cycle trade, 1.5 BMI vector 1. Risk profile is a B. The rating on it is a B-87. And current market rating is A. And if you want to find out more about how we rate the market, go to bigownertradingclub.club/market-rating. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, this is DMAC DiaMedica Therapeutics Inc. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.